What's up guys, here's the deal. If you are looking for an E-11 kit and you're looking at metal kits and you're concerned that they're going to cost you an arm and a leg, I do have a recommendation. This is an airsoft gun, believe it or not, from Evike. I think the price is $325 or $350, which seems high until you pick it up. And this thing's pretty legit. Now this particular model is super modified, so the T-tracks have been replaced. So a bunch of parts up here with the power cylinders and the counter. The scope's been refinished. There's a lot of custom work here, but here's the deal. If you're willing to do the work, this is a pretty damn good buy, because you could easily spend $600, $700, $800 on a full metal kit, which is going to get you to about the same place as this guy does. Now granted, there's time and some money in making the mods. If you head on over to the RPF, they'll be able to walk you through some of the details, but this is worth it. So just a quick video to say, if you're looking for a metal E-11 that you can modify, I would at least consider this. Think about your options, but after some blood, sweat, and tears, it comes out something like this. Thanks guys, later.